Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AI tools with TaskRabbit, complete guide step by step clearly. First, understand what AI tools are and how they can enhance productivity. Research different types of AI tools available in the market, such as chatbots, automation software, or analytics tools. Create a clear budget for your investment in AI tools. Next, download the TaskRabbit app to begin the process. Set up your account by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Once your account is ready, explore the services available on TaskRabbit. In the search bar, enter keywords related to AI tools or tasks you need help with. Review the profiles of taskers who offer expertise in AI tools. Check their ratings, reviews, and prices to find a suitable tasker. Once you select a tasker, contact them to discuss your specific needs regarding AI tools. Ask them about their experience with AI tools and how they can assist you in your investment journey. After finalizing the details, confirm the task and the payment. Meet with your tasker, either virtually or in person, to go over your requirements. During the meeting, take notes on their recommendations for AI tools. Discuss the pros and cons of different options available in the market. Request pricing details so you can compare costs. Once you've gathered all the information, evaluate the AI tools suggested by your tasker. Make an informed decision based on your budget, needs, and the tasker's recommendations. After selecting the right AI tool, proceed to acquire it through the suggested channels. Set up the AI tool as per the instructions provided by the service. Finally, monitor the performance of the AI tool to ensure it meets your expectations. Explore the option to further invest in additional AI tools based on the results you observe. By following these steps, you can successfully invest in AI tools using TaskRabbit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.